Linux can be intimidating at first, with so many different distros to choose from. Which one is right for you? In this video, we look at some of the best beginner-friendly Linux distros as well as some great options for developers. So, what makes a Linux distro good for beginners? Well, it needs to be easy to install and use, have a large community behind it, and offer lots of tutorials and help for common issues. It also needs to have plenty of software available so you don't feel limited compared to other operating systems. The best all-rounder, in my opinion, is Ubuntu. It's very easy to install, has huge community support, and there are literally hundreds of tutorials available for almost any issue you can imagine. It's used by millions of people, and there's a reason for that. It just works. Next up is Linux Mint, which is great for beginners switching from Windows. The Mint team focuses on creating a familiar and easy-to-use operating system, and their most popular version called Cinnamon offers a desktop interface that will immediately feel at home. It's stable, reliable, and lightweight, making it great for daily use. Fedora is a great option for developers who want access to the latest tools and libraries. It has focused on being on the cutting edge and offers a rolling release with the newest packages available. It's backed by Red Hat, the company behind the enterprise-focused CentOS Linux, and is a great choice for developers who want the bleeding edge. Pop_OS is another great choice for developers and gamers. It's developed by System 76 and is optimized for productivity and performance. It has great GPU support and a user-friendly interface. It's a great choice for a coding and gaming setup. If you want to go down the Arch route, then Monjaro is a great choice for beginners. It gives you access to the vast Arch repositories, but saves you from having to configure everything manually like you would if you installed a vanilla Arch. It follows a rolling release model and is a good balance between having the latest software and stability. Now those are my top picks, but there are of course many more great distros out there. Zorin OS is a good option if you're a beginner looking for a Windows alternative. It has a similar feel to Windows and is very easy to use. Debian is another great choice, especially for servers and developers. It's very stable and reliable and is one of the most trusted names in Linux. Okay, so to recap, Ubuntu is a great all-rounder. Linux Mint is great for Windows users. Fedora is perfect for developers who want the latest tools, and Pop_OS and Monjaro are great choices for developers and gamers. There are, of course, many more great options out there, but these are a great place to start. So, which distro are you using or planning to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, then please do subscribe. It helps me grow and allows me to keep making more videos like this. If you want to learn more about Linux, check out the playlist in the description. Thank you to all my supporters. You help me make the best content I can, and I appreciate it very much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.